Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Tradespeople's Tips again. Today we got a Nissan Qashqai on an 18 plate that we're going to show you how to change your fuel filter on it. Alright, let me show you what you need first. You need a 13mm socket, yeah? So, socket spanner, whichever, yeah? Undo those. 1, 2, and 3, yeah? Let's pull that off of there for now. Alright, let me just tell you this while we're doing this. When earlier on I was in the boot trying to find a jack. Earlier on I was in the boot because I keep hearing this rattling going on around in the boot. But I was looking for the jack. What I found is a drill bit rolling around in the boot. That was what was causing noise. Yeah, I took the drill bit out, rested here, doing what I'm doing. Drill bit's only falling down in there. See where my hand goes? Yeah. So when you take these bits off, be careful. Your bits could end up bad there. Right? Okay, back to what we're supposed to be doing. Take our fill plate off. You just need to flip it over out the way. It's got the cable attached to it. You should just wonder about this thing, and I nearly done it myself. Just get it out the way a bit. There you go, right? Next thing, this clip here, you press it down, press down on there, and pull towards you, and it should come off. There you go. Oh, okay. See, our filter is rocking about, so we're just gonna put a nut on there. This clip, you just pull it towards you if you're standing at the side like I am, and that corner comes out. Lift it over. The next side there comes out. See where I'm going there? Feed it through. Take it out. Now remember, do not put it on there. Best thing to do, put your bits up there. Okay? On this clip here, you've got a little grey area here. You can see just there. See where I press it in? Right? And there's another one just on the other side. If you press those two in at the same time, your pipe should just pull off just like that. Same on this one. The grey clip there, and the grey clip there. Press them both in, and it should just come off. Just down here, we have a looks like a 8 or a 10 mil. Looks like a 8. Alright, undo that. That will loosen your filter, but you don't need to do that until last. Right? Once you get the pipes off, I'm just going to put this on because I'm not changing the filter, I'm just showing you. Right, once you've done that, if you look at this, the whole unit here, it looks like it moves. Right, let me just try and do it there. If you just look at the corner there, you see the movement on it. So that tells me it may just pop out as a unit, or it may come already fitted to your new filter. So what you need to do is get your new filter or look online how your new filter comes. If it doesn't come with this in it, then basically all you need to do is get something underneath here and just bend around this side as well, and just try and prise it upwards evenly till it pops out. I should imagine it comes out, that's why the clips are there to hold it in. And it pops out, a new one, you may get new seals with it, put it on, press it down, right? But if you're gonna have to prise it out, you may not have to take the pipes out, you may just have to prise it out first, get both pipes out the way, undo that, and your filter should lift straight out the housing. Okay, when you put it back, put your pipes on, press it in. Once you press it on, just give it a tug, make sure it's on there and it's not coming off. Get your clip, put your clip back in. Your clip's got to go through there and around through the groove there. This one goes through that hole there. just like that. And this one, you just raise it up and over and under. Okay, this one, get it back there. Press it on and listen to the click. You hear the click? And that's it. Get your nut back off of there. You haven't done it, it's only hand tight. So if you rock your filter at the same time, or just press down on there, it should come straight back off. Careful not to drop it down inside the engine compartment anywhere. Alright, that's off. Get your cover, flip it back over, line your bolts up, put your nut on. Next one, just want to catch them for now, and then you get your bolts. Once you get all three of them caught, get your socket, just wind it down. Once you wind down all three, just nip them up by hand. Then you get your ratchet. Make sure you're tightening. Just nip it, don't go mad. And that's the job done. So, from tradespeople's tips, if you're out there robbing people, stop doing it. See you later.